Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So today we are at our small backyard garden and I'm going to give you a tour here in the backyard where I grow vegetables and flowers. So come and join me. So in this little space that I have in here, I grow most of the vegetables from seeds. So it's been raining for the whole week now and everything here in the small backyard garden, it's just exploded. The beans are climbing up towards the trellis all the way to the top, and the cucumber as well. Here's the kale, and I have 3 types of kale on this container. In here we have some spinach. Look how healthy they are. And some of my tomatoes are right here. There are 3 types of indeterminate tomato in this side that could use this trellis. Then I planted some calendula as well down here, and these are the radish. Let's take a look if they are ready to be harvested. Let's see. Oh, there they are. So later I am going to harvest some of the radish and spinach and some of the kale as well, and lettuces. So everything is just growing so well. And the green onions is over here. Tomatoes in this side. These are the large varieties of tomatoes. And then I have the snow peas. So in this little space in here, I am growing at least 30 types of vegetables. And it doesn't cost me at all because most of the seeds were I saved it from the previous season. So it's all free. And the soil, I don't buy soil as well because I make my own soil. I use all the compost from the kitchen scrap and I compost all year round. Now on this side right here, I am growing some tomatoes and peppers. And these are all the containers that I grow some seeds, and look, all of them now. So this is the red Russian kale, mixed lettuce, curl kale, mixed lettuce, another lettuce. Oh, look how big they are. And another lettuce. This is radish, mixed lettuce, and this is the snow peas. And in here I am growing some dills and celery. Over in this corner I have some garlic chives and celery, and here I have some coriander on this pot and mixed green salad. I think I am going to harvest some tonight. Now let's step back. So this is the view of our small garden that close to our kitchen. So let's take a walk. And this is the clematis that we have here on the side of the shed, and it's blooming so well. I have some strawberries in a container, and look at this. These are the strawberries in the bottom of the box. I have planted blueberries in here, and it is loaded with fruits. And take a look at my strawberries. Look at that. It's full of fruits. It's going to be harvested soon. And look on this side right here. Look at that. So many strawberries. And on the other side, I did the same thing as well, where I planted strawberries on the bottom. And look! Oh my goodness! It's loaded and loaded of strawberries. I am using a homemade compost fertilizer on these little beds. And here are the blueberries. And in this part of the garden where I have my raspberries in here. Last winter the rabbit has demolished it, but look, it's back again, and it's loaded with fruits as well. So in this part of the garden right here, this is the place where I relax after gardening. I have planted flowers around it. So at the back, close to the fence, these are all Annabelle hydrangeas. And in this pot right here, I grow calla lilies. Look at that. And I just placed some creeping Jenny on the side. And this doesn't cost me nothing. And look how beautiful is that. Now in this pot right here, I have the zucchini. There's the zucchini right there, and there's some deals growing there voluntarily. And these are the petunia. I think this is called blueberry vein petunia. And then I just placed some creeping Jenny on the side. Actually, I have some calla lily as well right there that's ready to explode pretty soon. And here are the zinnias that I grow from seeds. So now I'm going to transplant them in the front shed. So, just want to show you the roses that I just planted I think a month ago or a month and a half ago. This is the Western rose, and look, it is already loaded with buds. Look at that. And on the other side, I have the new down, and see how fast it grows. Now it's I think soon it's going to have a bud as well. Okay, so in this area here are mostly flowers. I have the shooting star right there with the petal beside it, and then we have the daylilies. These are the onions that I have planted in containers, and these are the early green onions. and more flowers. These are all perennial flowers. So I have daylily, Shasta daisy, autumn joy, and then I have the black-eyed Susan right there in the corner. And in this trellis right here, I have the clematis, and then another clematis on the other side, and then the nice water fountain that makes a beautiful sound when you sat here during the night. And take a look at the peonies that I have. Look at the buds. Are they beautiful? Now let's see the strawberry beds on this side. Look at how many strawberries. So many strawberries in this side of the beds. Just loaded and loaded of strawberries. Look at that. These strawberry beds started from three little pots only. And now from three little pots, I have this whole bed. And that little bed down there, another one right there, and one in a container. And actually I have given away some to my friends. And in here I have experimented this area. These are the wild flowers that I planted from seeds, and I want to see how it does this summer. In here we have the hydrangea, Shasta daisy, shooting star in here, and clematis in this trellis. And then we have another hydrangeas, and both sides I have planted a calendula from seeds. Look at this beautiful onion chives. So pretty. And on this side I have planted more tomatoes. Right there is 3 types of tomatoes, some Swiss chard, and then some Ellison flowers are growing in there. And here's the clematis. I have single flower. It's not doing well, but I'm not sure what to do with it, but we'll see. And these are the containers that I've grown from seeds. I have petunias. I have I think that's zucchini right there. This is petunias, snapdragon, more snapdragon in here. And in this corner I have scarlet runner beans that's going to climb all the way to the top of this arbor. Then I have planted some tomatoes as well, and calendula, and some peppers there on that side. Now on this side here I have planted scarlet runner beans as well. Now that is growing all the way to the top. And then down here in the bottom I have some tomatoes. That's Ellison, bush beans. These are the chives, and then more tomatoes. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes in here with beans and Ellison, and then more onion chives. Here is the dahlia that I have planted from tuber. There's one right there, and there's another one right here. So this is going to be exciting. This is the first time that I grow this type of dahlia. So anyways, I think that's all for today, and thank you so much for joining me in this tour of our small backyard garden. Have a good day, everyone, and don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.